Apple just shocked us with the thinnest iPhone ever made, the all-new iPhone Air. At only 5.6 mm thin, it's impossibly light, insanely powerful, and packed with features that feel like they're straight from the future. Today, let's break down everything you need to know about this brand new iPhone Air. From its titanium design, breakthrough cameras, all the way to Apple's new A19 Pro chip. Let's start with the design. Apple went all out here. The iPhone Air is made from grade 5 titanium, with a gorgeous high-gloss mirror finish. It's so thin and light you'll honestly have to hold it to believe it's real. The 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display is stunning, featuring ProMotion up to 120 Hz, always-on mode, and an insane 3000 nits peak outdoor brightness. That's the brightest display on any iPhone yet. Apple's making durability a big selling point. The iPhone Air debuts Ceramic Shield 2 both on the front and the back for the first time. It's 3x more scratch-resistant and 4x tougher against cracks compared to older models. Pair that with the titanium frame and this might be the toughest thin phone ever. Now let's talk about cameras. On the back you've got a 48MP Fusion main camera, giving you the flexibility of 4 lenses in one, including new 28mm and 35mm options. But the real star is the all-new 18MP center stage front camera, with a square sensor that lets you take landscape selfies without rotating the phone. It also automatically adjusts the field of view to fit everyone in, and even records ultra-stabilized 4K HDR video. Oh, and yes, dual capture is here, so you can record from the front and back cameras at the same time. The iPhone Air is powered by not one, not two, but 3 custom Apple chips: the A19 Pro, the N1 wireless chip, and the new C1X modem. The A19 Pro delivers the fastest CPU in any smartphone, a next-level GPU for AAA gaming, and neural accelerators for on-device AI. The N1 chip brings Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6 and Thread for smart home devices, while the C1X modem is Apple's fastest and most power-efficient yet. And all of this adds up to remarkable all-day battery life, even in a body this thin. With iOS 26, Apple adds more intelligence and customization than ever before. We're talking Apple Intelligence AI features, live translation in calls, new visual intelligence for screenshots, advanced call screening, and even a brand new Apple Games app to unify your mobile gaming. The iPhone Air also features eSIM-only design, with support from over 500 carriers worldwide, making travel and switching plans easier than ever. So that's the iPhone Air, impossibly thin, surprisingly durable, packed with Apple's most advanced silicon, and featuring cameras and AI smarts that change how you'll use your phone. Pre-orders start September 12th, with launch on September 19th. What do you think? Is the iPhone Air the future of smartphones? Or is Apple sacrificing too much for thinness? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives on the latest tech.